Romeo the Professor again in my trust wallet. I want to show you this coin Badger here. It did about 7%, so I'm going to, it's an ERC20. I'm going to click the apps. Let me show you again. Badger, I have about 6,700. I'm going to put it in DAO, the DAO here that you see 15,000, and then I'm going to tell you what it is, Badger. But first I want to move Badger into DAO, stablecoin. I'm going to, first let's do Badger. Badger, let's look for Badger. Let's see if I find it. It might be hard. 1 second. Badger, okay, Badger right there. And I'm gonna do DAO. And I'm going to send about, it was at 6,000, so I'm gonna do 3,000. I'm saying $3,000 worth of DAO over here. Whoa, let's see if I can get better pricing, please. Please, better pricing, please. Okay, I'll take that pricing. Oh, -2, whoa. Ah, that hurts. That's about $60, $70. 140, ouch. I'm moving it because I want to move it. And then I'll tell you what Badger is. My name is Romeo the Professor. You can click the link in my bio and you'll see my YouTube channel where you can subscribe and share these videos to wherever you like. So let me go back and see if Badger moved. The market right now has been doing amazing things. Badger right now, okay, 4,000 right here. So that's cool. So Badger, I've moved it. So if we click, let's look at Badger. So when I look at Badger, let's hope it load up. By the way, this is the time where you want to start scraping at least 5% of your portfolio, entire portfolio, and put it in stable coins because Bitcoin is at an all-time high within the last 2 months. Ethereum also is within the last 2 months. So Badger, we see that it was at 33 all-time high, so we just scraped it at 29 right here. It's a DAO dedicated to building products and infrastructure to bring Bitcoin to DeFi because most Bitcoin is not on DeFi, and Badger will solve that. So the whole is greater than the sum of all parts. Deposit tokenized Bitcoin, which is huge, and set to generate additional yield with automatic strategies. It is an elastic supply of cryptocurrency that is pegged to the price of Bitcoin. This is how you intro to Badge, how Badge work and all of that. Okay, so it's a great project. So I bought into it early. I mean, it has about 300,000 million in it right now, so it's not as early, but I believe I can see Badger touching this all-time high in 2 months. This $80 in 2 months. So I'm in Badger. This is not financial advice. My name is Romeo the Professor. Click the link in my bio and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not. My name is Romeo the Professor. Thank you. I'm out.